Page 16, stretching. Don't know what we're stretching. I don't see anything stretching about it, but okay, there you go. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats. Let's talk about it one hand at a time. Right hand, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. 2/4, we only have to count to 2. Yay! But it's got eighth notes. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. And that's pretty much it. Isn't that exciting? Left hand, treble clef now again. So up here, and then you get to rest for a bit, and then you get to play another note. Then you get to rest a bit, then you get to play another note. Isn't this exciting? Put the hands together. This should be good. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. The hardest part is playing the rest in the left hand. Make sure you lift up so you get rest when you're supposed to, and that's the piece. I'm not quite sure what they're after here. It says soft. That's the right hand. Keep the left hand really soft. You're starting out soft at the beginning. And then when you get down to the third line, now all of a sudden you're loud. That's the right hand. You can bring the left hand up a little bit. Keep it under the right hand. That's the dynamics, louds and softs, okay? Allegretto. Again, I consider allegretto to be a fun speed. It's a little faster than moderato. It's not as fast as allegro. It's not fast. It's just a fun thing. It's about what I've been demonstrating here. 1, 2, 1, 2. And in the right hand, I'm just transferring weight here. I'm not trying to play the notes. I'm just transferring weight. I still don't know what I'm stretching, but there it is. Now that's the piece. It's pretty simple, I think. Compared to what we've been dealing with, I think it's pretty simple. Let's play it slowly together to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do dynamics, just the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. So go ahead and put your hands up and see where it goes. Here we go. Ready and go, and 1 and 2.